So today we are going to replace the bushing on a shifter. Here is the new bushing right here. That's how it looks like. Let's do it. Here is my brother-in-law.
Yeah.
So boys, we under the truck. Here it is. Look at this. Look at this fella here. It's all broken inside. Not completely yet, but it is. So let's take this bolt out and try to remove this. This bushing. This one was not the original one. I replaced it like 6 years ago, and I put the poly plastic one. So it hold up for 6 years. Not bad. Let's do this. Okay, this bolt is out. Now let's do this thing. I can barely have any room to move here. It's coming out, guys, slowly. Check this out, fellas. This is the poly bushing, all gone. Okay, gotta remove this from the transmission pole. This blue piece of metal, it's a part of the bushing that it was here. And it's sitting on the transmission thing. I have to pull this thing off. Now I gotta spray some PB Blaster. This thing. Spray some. Let's try again, and you probably notice my stick shift, right? It's all welded to some funny position. They drill whenever they swap the transmission, they drill the hole in the right spot, and look how it ended up. They had to weld a custom-made stick shift for me. Oop, fellas, check this out. With the PB Blaster, goes all the way up. Easy, but look at the rust. The bushing is sitting on the transmission pole good. Now it's time for drilling. The poly one, it's pre-drill, so there is a drill here, there is a hole here drilled already. This one is not, so we're gonna have to measure where to drill the hole. I know it's gonna be easier to just stick it right here, but these holes are not the size that it's supposed to be, so this is not gonna do nothing to me. Maybe it would, but I think I'm just gonna measure the height here, where to drill, and I just drill it right here, and the bushing like this. But I'm gonna have to remove this thing too, because I'm not gonna be able to put this inside. There is no way. Alright guys, got the whole stick shift out. I got this piece drilled with 3/4 hole all the way. Now it's not gonna be easy to put this thing in the stick shift insulator. On this one, easy peasy. Check this out. See? On this thing it goes easy. It works in the stick shift itself. I'm talking about this thing right here. It's been beat up, rusty. Woo. That was a good one, huh?
What do you think?
Now it's much better.
Yeah, I can see.
Now we're gonna put the anti-seize all over this. And we're gonna push the bushing inside. I'm just gonna have to figure it out which way, how I drill the hole. I'm gonna have to go under the truck and check it on the pole. Okay guys, so a little bit of anti-seize on this one here as well. All around. Now we got these two bushings that goes on the side, the bolt that go through it, and the nut on the side. Just like this. One bushing. Bolt that go through like this. Another bushing on this side, and the nut. And just like this, fellas, new bushing, it's in and good to go. Now just putting these rubbers back on, 4 bolts, and the top shifter all together with the airlines. Okay fellas, airlines are in. Now we're putting the rubber grommet. It's 4 bolts. Alright guys, we got it all done right here. Now let's go up. Check this out guys. Okay, the lines are connected. And look at this. So stiff and nice. Before the stick shift was flying all the way. So we done here. That's how you change the stick shift bushing on the top of the transmission. Adios.